channel. My name is Rudy. If you're new here, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, just do some type of interaction. You know what I'm saying? Like, I work really hard to put together content, and not that I do a lot, but I'm saying, like, show me some love, show me some love, show me that y'all appreciate me and y'all appreciate these videos, okay? You know what I'm saying? Sharing is caring, okay? So yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post videos. So today, I'm super excited because I am going to be unboxing some hair from the Bundle Attack. If you already follow me, or if you already subscribe to my channel, or if you follow me on Instagram at Rudy Fox FOXX_, then you know I'm no stranger to the Bundle Attack. I absolutely love them. I stick by their brand, and yeah, they sent me this hair and maybe some other things. So we'll see what all is in here, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So the Bundle Attack, we go way back, okay? Oh, how cute. Some boxes. Oh, wow. How cool is that? Yeah, this is so nice. I feel like it's Christmas time. Like, I absolutely love opening. I have no greater joy than opening up a Bundle Attack package. Like, literally, y'all, I don't know. She just outdoes herself every time. Oh my God. So I got a bunch of stuff, y'all. So first, I have a bag. So it's a wig bag where I can store my wigs, and it should have a hanger. Yeah, this is just, oh my God. She literally outdoes herself every single time. Like, no lie. So I don't know how to work. Oh, so you just snap it into place. Like, look at this freaking quality. Oh, wow. So I'm guessing that this goes on the inside of here. I'm not the best person to do demonstrations, but I know a little something, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but how cute is that? Who you know? Y'all don't know nobody else doing that. Who you know? Okay, so first of all of my goodies are in this really pretty bonnet. It's a silk bonnet, or satin or silk. I'm gonna just take everything out so you guys can see the bonnet. Oh my God, y'all, I wish y'all could feel it. So I'm gonna go ahead and say what I do love about this bonnet is it's big. I have a lot of hair, like I have a lot of natural hair, but when I put weave on my head, I like longer lengths. So when I have a lot of weave, I need my bonnet to cover my entire wig, not just the bottom hair. So this is like so cute. It's so cute. I am in love. All right. Okay, so next we have a silk scarf, which is also cute as heck. So I wear frontals. I haven't worn a closure in years. So what I do is when I do my frontals, I like fold my scarf in half, and then I lay out my baby hairs, because you know what I'm saying. What's the style without baby hairs, you know? So yeah, you use this to like tie your edges down when you're installing your lace fronts or your closures, because you can also have baby hair with the closure pull, especially if it's curly hair. So yeah. I got a robe. This is for me. It's not for y'all, but I got a robe. So, and then I got a brush, a weave brush, which really comes in handy because I think the hair that I have is wavy. So I have a weave brush where I can like straighten it out. And just a little secret, these work wonders on your natural hair. If you want your hair, like your natural hair, to like curl up, it's not really curly right now because this is old, but if you want your real hair to like coil on the ends, if you use one of these, I promise you it will do the trick. But it works really good for detangling your weave as well. So that's a plus. Up and see. Oh my God. My God. Oh my God, it smells so good. It doesn't even smell like shampoo. It smells like I don't even know what inch this is. I think I have all 24 inches or 26 inches. I'm not completely sure, but I'll leave it in the description box because I know y'all are gonna wanna know. I'm 5'2" and this comes to my waist. So it comes to my waist when it's in the front of me. And then it comes to like right at my butt, like behind me. So it's pretty long, y'all. It's really, really long. And this is its natural state, it's wavy. So straighten is gonna be, oh my God. Like, get a look at this. I love it. The luster is not like a high luster. It's not really shiny. The ends look really good. The wave is just enough. It's like a natural wave or like some type of, I think it's a natural wave. Look at the bounce on it. Like, this is some healthy hair, y'all. Like, no split ends. Like, when you hold your hair like this, you see all those prickly split ends hanging up? Like, it's probably gonna give you a little bit of trouble or shade. This is really nice. So that's gonna be quite a surprise for y'all. So I can't wait for y'all to check this out. And all of my bundles are the same inches. Y'all just look at this. Like, I'm just in love. Um, Raw hair in general, it's like a little bit like drier, so you have to kind of put oils on it. Whereas as like regular virgin hair, you may not want to put like a lot of oil on it because it'll weigh it down. But raw hair, man, you could put oil on it. It's literally like your real hair. You could put oil on it and flat iron it and curl it and straighten it. You could just have a ball with it because it can take a lot more than hair with chemicals. But y'all, this is just, oh my God. I can't get over the smell. It just smells so good. Like, it doesn't smell like it's been washed or anything. It just smells like, I don't even know. I don't know what to call it. Look at how full that is. What more do you want? You know what I'm saying? So I've showed the bundles. Now we're going to do the frontal. This frontal is HD. And oh my God, is it beautiful? All right. So this is the curl on the frontal. The curls are a little bit more like wavy, curly kinda, which not more, but kind of like the same. This hair is long, so it's heavy, so it's kind of stretched a bit. But yeah, it's gonna match up really nicely. The frontal reaches about here, which is really long for a frontal, which I love. The knots aren't bleached, so I have to bleach my knots. And this is what the frontal looks like. And that's that. If you've never had an HD frontal, oh my God. Let me tell you, you are missing out. So this, the HD frontal, it looks so much more natural. The color of the lace, it just matches so much better. But yeah, this hair is absolutely freaking gorgeous and I cannot wait to install. So great job, Bundle Attack. I'm so happy to have this hair.
your dreads off. My what is called about it. I nicknamed them Randy Moss. Ducking in my Reeboks. Ride with a T-shirt. I heard he shot. Truckles make a beatbox. He made it a spot on flip the car. Out of mask. Jerk gon' make him beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch says she got a feet.
She stuck her head and let her hit her down tone. I'm cruising with these crosses, yeah, it's all chrome. We creeping with the chopper, see a dog home. Been living in my panda, Billy Rose gold. Beginning and we headed up a long road.